Hey guys, Emmysroom here. So in this video we have two speakers, the JBL Charge 6 and the JBL Charge 5. So we'll be doing a comparison. So this is just a sound test comparison. I'll be doing a spec sheet, full size comparison of both of them, but right now we have just sound test. So let's dive right into the video. Well, so that is the end of the sound test. So I'll leave you all to react to. Just tell me how you feel. Like, what do you think? Does the Charge 6 sounds better than the JBL Charge 5? And which one do you feel has more loudness? Which one do you feel has more bass? So which one do you feel rock? Here is my question for you. So do you feel it's worth the upgrade? So I'll drop my thoughts and I'll tell you all in the next video. That's like when I do the full spec video comparison of both of them. But anyway, I want to know what you guys think about the sound comparison. Let me know in the comments, and remember to subscribe to Emmysroom, like, and if you need any of them, like, we have you covered on your gadget too. You need the Charge 6 or the Charge 5. We have affiliate links. It's below this video, so you can click any of them to get yours. Remember, we offer quality gadget video reviews like this one at Emmysroom, and we also have you covered. Like, if you need them, we've got you covered. So take on farm. Thanks for watching.